Hey, what's going on, everybody? Quick review for you on this garage shoe storage organizer here. So I got this thing about a week or so ago, and I just want to walk you through my experience with it. It came in wrapped up and packed pretty neatly. So just open that up. It took me a little minute to do, maybe about, I don't know, maybe about an hour or so, but it was overall really easy. It's basically, you see all these different shelves here. It just gets a little repetitive. So you have all the shelves that basically end up creating two different sections. So this bar section here, this one, and the bottom section is or the bottom piece is another section. So basically build it in two halves, and then you mount this top half on top of it and then screw it together. So really easy to do overall. See, these shelves, you do have the option. So I installed all of mine flat, but you do have the option if you were to unscrew the back screws, you could lift it up so they slant forward towards you. So that might be something that I would look at doing in the future, but for me overall it was working pretty good. So again, the assembly was really easy. For the installation, it did come with a couple of safety tip straps. I definitely would say make sure to use those, because if you ever were to have this thing tip over, you would want those in place. So, well, I guess to prevent it from tipping over. And I can also say that it has way more space than I actually ended up needed. So I had a couple totes of shoes for my family. So I'm just sitting around in the garage. So got this, unloaded all the totes onto here, and have plenty of space left over. Some of the shelves are a little bit short for our winter boots and some of my wife's kind of taller shoes or whatever. Or some of those things are kind of put up top there. Some of them were close, and I did have to kind of just smush it a little bit for these middle shelves. But overall, I think the value or what you get for the price here is just a really good value. I love this shelf. I'm happy to see it every time I walk in the garage and just see all that stuff up off my floor. So definitely happy that I bought it. I think it's a good investment.